So the problem says that we have a pendulum. So it's a pendulum with a mass, and it's in a rope that is a length L, and the radius of the pendulum is L divided by 2. So we need to find the total inertia, the torque, no, the period, and the period when the time is 2 seconds. So then, no, the length when the time is 2 seconds. So then we have the inertia of the rope, the inertia of the sphere, and we need to find the total inertia. So we know that the total inertia will be equal the inertia of the rope plus the inertia of the sphere. So we have that the total inertia of the road is 1/3 of ml squared plus the inertia of the sphere, and we are consider the spheres, the inertia that we have, so it's 2.5 ml squared divided by 2 square plus ml squared, because we have the inertia on the road. So we have this, so we can factorize a factor common. So we are going to get that the total inertia will be ml squared times 1/3 plus 2 divided by 5 times 1 divided by 4 plus 1. So if we do the math, we're going to get that is 1/3 plus 2 divided by 5 times 1/4 plus 1, parentheses. And we have that the total inertia will be 43 times 10 ml squared. So that's the total inertia. But we need to find the period. So we have a formula that is already given, that this period is equal to 2 pi times the inertia, the total inertia, divided by m times g times r. So r is not the radius, r is like the distance between the pivot to the center of gravity. So it will be the distance between the center of gravity and the pivot. So it's not going to be the length. No, it's going to be the length. So we can substitute in our formula, and we will have that the period is equal to 2 pi. We have our total inertia, that is 43 divided by 30 ml squared divided by m times g times r, but we know that r is the distance between the pivot and the center of mass, so it's 3/4 of the length. So we can eliminate common factors. So we have common factor m, and we also have common factor l. So we got that it's going to be 2 pi times the square root of 43 divided by 30 L divided by 9.81, well, times gravity, times, well, we will put gravity instead, so times 3/4. So we can do this in our calculator. Well, I don't think I can do it, so I just going to simplify the thing that we have in the square root, so because I don't think I can do it. So it's going to be so if we simplify, I just need the calculator and make it work. So we have 43 times 4, because this is down, so pass up. So if we do the sandwich rule, so we have 43 times 4 L divided by 30 times 3 G. So we can do that in the calculator. So we have to do 2 pi times the 43 for 4 is going to be 172 L divided by 90 G. And think so that has. So we can simplify more. So 86. Because I have like 172, 4 times 43 is going to be 172 divided by 3. No, divided by. I'm trying to find a common factor. So we have like. But this is not a 3, this is a 6 because this is square. So it's going to be 180. So if we have a common factor, it's going to be 42 pi times the square root of 43 divided by 45 L divided by G. So we had our period. So it's going to be the period. I think that we can leave it like that. I can divide by the gravity so I can make it more certain or something like that. 45. No, I can do that because I have the L. No, so I will leave it like that. So I just substitute the length and the. So that's the resultant. So now they are asking for the length when time is equal to. So we just have to substitute the period by 2 in this equation. So we're going to have 2. I think my letter is a little small. I don't know. I hope you see. So it's 2 pi 43 divided by 45. Also 1 times L times 9.81. So I can start factorizing to solve for L. So I'm going to have like 2 divided by 2 pi is going to be, and this is squared, it's going to be 43 divided by 45, 9.81. So I'm going to have 2 times, no, 2 divided by 2 pi, and this is going to be squared, it's going to, and if we multiply for 45 times 42, no, times 9.81, sorry, it's going to be L, but we have to divide this by 43, and we are supposed to do that in our calculator, so I'm going to do that. So it's going to be 2 divided by 2p squared times 45 times 9.81 divided by 43. So I'm going to have that the length when the time is 2 is 1.0402 meters. So that's going to be the length of the rope when the period is equal to 2 seconds. And that's it. Thank you. Bye.